The technology space is vast. There is so much to explore, and the field is constantly changing. But why spend the time and effort though? I'm sure you've heard the phrase, it's the journey that matters. Some people enjoy solving problems and the dopamine rush they get when they arrive at a solution. Some people's attention is captured when they hear a concept or a technology they could imagine using to solve some problem. Welcome to Gerard's Curious Tech, a channel dedicated to cultivating the tribe of people that resonate with these feelings. The goal of this channel is to cover the concepts the most curious technology minds are interested in, the things they may be using at work or experimenting with at home, and other cases where they can follow along with a project they don't have time to explore themselves. Subscribe to the channel, join the tribe, solve some challenges, follow along with our projects, and I'll see you in the comments soon.